Good day everyone. I am Ashley Claire M. Comendador, and today I want to share something very personal. Something that has shaped not only who I am, but who I want to become as a future educator. So, I want to talk about my Filipino identity, the values I grew up with, the culture that has molded me, and the lessons I plan to bring with me into the classroom. So, when we say Filipino, we often think obviously about our food, our languages, our celebrations, or even our struggles. But for me, being a Filipino goes deeper. It's the quiet everyday ways we learn how to survive, how to live, and how to stand up again after every challenges. So, growing up, Filipino values taught me pagre-respeto. From po at opo to mano po, um, I realize respect is not just about manners. Yeah, it's about recognizing the dignity of every person. So, this taught me how to listen, how to understand, and how to treat others with kindness. So, I also carry pakikipagkapwa-tao. So, Filipino have this deep instinct to care. Neighbors helping neighbors, family shares little what they have, um, friends comforting you in silence, and that compassion shaped me. It made me want to become that someone who shows up for others. And of course, tatag, our resilience as a Filipino. We fall, we struggle, but we rise always. So these values make me who I am. These values make me proud to be a Filipino. So, if there is one hero who reflects my identity, it would be Dr. Jose Rizal. Why? Because he believed that education can transform a nation. He chose words instead of violence. He used his knowledge as his weapon, and he believed deeply in youth. He reminds me that he reminds me that teacher I want to be. Someone who inspires, someone who opens minds, someone who believes in every student. So, how does being a Filipino shape me as a future educator? So, for me, is um, I will bring respect in my classroom. I will bring compassion, a space where my students can feel safe and understood. I will model resilience, showing that showing them that mistakes and challenges are part of growing. And like Rizal, I will teach with hope, with courage, and love for the youth. So, to my future students, this is my message to you. You are capable, you are important, and you have so much potential. So, do not fear your dreams. Don't fear failure. Rise every time because you are a Filipino. So, as your future teacher, I promise to guide you with respect, with compassion, and I believe in who you can be. So that's all. Thank you for watching.